We are in the Festival of Contraband in Alcoutim, south of Portugal. The first time we are coming here, and I am standing on the Portuguese side, and this on the other side of the river is Spain. And before the borders were opened, they would bring basic supplies like flour, eggs and other kinds of things to the other side. Then they love stories, and they are now honoring those times. They made this bridge that you can cross, but there were so many people that we didn't have the courage to just stand in the line. But it should be nice.
Everywhere we look, there's people. I was expecting a small town, so a small festival, but no. It's even hard to move, especially with a kid. But there's lots to explore and music everywhere, so pretty cool. This is quite nice. I really like it, and some of these things are like lost arts already. From metal work to weaving. It's nice to see that these things are being kept alive. Especially nice to see some younger people doing it. So hopefully we don't lose these type of things. Let's see.